this tutorial I am gonna show you how to make a calculator. Let's start the program. Here first we need to ask user what operation they want to do. So they can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are going to write here printf what operation do you want to do and a new line. Here 4 options are available to the user, and to show this option to the screen we are going to write here printf press 1 for addition and a new line. Next I am gonna write press 2 for subtraction. To do this I am gonna copy it and paste here, and I am gonna write here press 2 for subtraction. Next I am gonna write press 3 for multiplication. Write here 3 and here multiplication. Then press 4 for division. Write here 4 and here division. Let's check how it looks. Compile it and run it. As you can see here, it prints in the same way as we want. Now we need to read the number that the user entered and store it in a variable. So we're gonna create an integer type variable. So right here int n. To read the number we are going to write here scanf %d and then %n. Next we need to ask the user to enter number. So write here printf and we're gonna say please enter a number and the /n. We need to read the number that the user entered and store in a variable. So we need to declare variable. Here we're gonna declare 2 integer type variable. So write here num1 and num2. We need another variable to hold the result of the operation. So here we take another variable, that is result. To read the first number we use scanf %d to store the number to the variable num1. So write here num1. Then we need to read the second number. To do this I am gonna copy it here, and we are going to write here please enter a second number. To store the second number to the variable num2, here we write num2. We know when there are many options are available and you need to choose one of them, then it is better to us to use a switch statement. So I am gonna write here switch statement, switch a pair of parentheses and then a pair of curly braces. Here I am gonna write n, because when asking to the user what operation they want to do, the user entered his choice and we read it by scanf function, and then it was stored in the variable n. That's why we use here n. Next we write the case condition. In case 1 we perform addition operation. So write here case 1 result equal to num1 plus num2. Now we print the value of the operation. So write here printf addition of 2 number is %d. And give here the variable name, that is result. And then give here a break statement. Similarly in case 2 we perform subtraction operation. So I am gonna copy this and paste here. Write here case 2. Since we perform the subtraction operation, so give here minus sign, and I am gonna write here subtraction of number. Case 3 we perform multiplication operation. So write here case 3 whether we execute it or not. For this purpose, we use a do while. So write here to give here the starting braces and here the closing braces. Write the while statement. Here we are going to ask user do you want to continue. So write here with any character except y, then the condition is false and the loop terminates. Let's check the output, compile it and run it. As you can see here, it asks you what operation do you